TickiT A3 and A2 LED light panels provide consistent, cool illumination over a large area. With the Slimline design, they are lightweight, tough and portable, and can be set to any one of 3 light levels, providing ample light even in a well-lit setting. A handy lock feature prevents the panel being switched off unintentionally. Light panels create a calm sensory arena where children can observe the detail of man-made and natural materials collaboratively. Children will take their time and explore light, dark, colour mixing and shadows at their own pace. A comprehensive guide is included, highlighting 150 inspiring ideas for using light panels, and a range of excellent TickiT light panel resources are available separately to enhance the experience, including a low-level light panel table. TickiT light panels come with a low-voltage mains power supply and anti-trip magnetic connector lead, which will safely disconnect if the lead gets tugged unintentionally.